Hi kindergartners, this is Mrs. True. Welcome to week 4 of extra homework video help. Okay, here we go. We're going to start off where I'm going to say the sounds in a word and you're going to blend the sounds together to say the word. See if you can beat me. You ready? L, a, d. Lad. D, a, t. Dot. Qu, e, z. Quiz. L, e, t. Let. M, d. Mud. P, e, g. Peg. W, e, t. Wit. P, a, p. Pop. R, b. Rub. And d, a, b. Dab. Could you beat me on any of them? I hope so. Okay, next I'm going to show a letter and you're going to say the sound that the letter spells. And again, see if you can beat me. R, e, d, a, g, f, a, v, b, e, h. How did you do? I hope you beat me on some of those sounds. Okay, next, I'm going to say the sound and you name the letter that spells that sound. And then I'll show you the letter. And then you can check yourself. You ready? Okay, first one. R. R. Okay, I just realized I mix up my cards, so I'm going to do that now. Okay. B. B. A. V. V. I. I. E. E. D. D. A. O. G. G. F. H. U. How'd you do? I hope you beat me. Okay, next up, we're going to use our Elkonin box and we're going to stretch out some words. Okay, all of our words today are going to have 3 sounds. We're not going to do any 2-sound words because we're getting better. Okay, our first word will be sad. I was feeling sad. S-a-d. Sad. How'd you do? Okay, next one. Rat. Rat. R-a-t. Rat. Sorry about that. Okay, next word. We're going to do 2 words with the sound that we spell with the letter U. Our first word is mug. Mug. M-a-g. Mug. Our next one is rug. Rug. R-a-g. Rug. Okay, our next one is set. Set. S-e-t. Set. Okay, our next word is red. Red. R-e-d. Red. Okay, our next one is jig. Jig. J-I-g. Jig. Our next one is lit. Lit. L-I-t. Lit. Our next one is gob. A gob means a lot. Gob. G-a-b. Gob. Okay, and our last word for this is top. Say top. T-a-p. top. How'd you do? I hope you did well. Okay, the last thing we're going to do is a little bit of oral language. We're going to take a look at a picture and we're going to say a sentence about this picture. I found another good one. So first, take a look at this picture. What's something you would say about this picture? I told you it was a little bit silly. Okay, so this is a guinea pig, and the guinea pig is wearing purple glasses, super cute, and reading a book. So I thought this was the cutest picture, so let's talk about it. So you could describe the guinea pig. You could say the guinea pig is furry, the guinea pig is cute, the guinea pig looks very smart wearing its glasses. You could say he likes to read or she likes to read. You could say, I wonder, could you think of 2 words to describe this guinea pig? What would you say? Okay, let's put it into a sentence. The guinea pig is furry and cute. Let's do it. The guinea pig is furry and cute. Let's write this sentence. I think we can do that. Okay, our first part is the. We know the, and that's a heart word, so we always spell that correctly. The guinea pig. Oh no, I don't know how to spell guinea pig. I will have to sound it out. G, g. G, e. Gin. The guinea. The guinea pig. P-ig. We can sound that word out. Pig. P-I-G. Okay, we have the guinea pig is, and is a heart word, I-S. The guinea pig is furry, furry. We're going to stretch this word out. It's not a heart word. I hear a R. Furry. Okay. The guinea pig is furry and is a heart word. So let's write that accurately. A-N-D. The guinea pig is furry and cute. Kia, kia. It's hard to tell. I'm going to put a C down. K, U. That's a long U. We know that. And we know that if it has a long U, it might have an E at the end. The silent E making the U say U. So let's do our ending sound. K, U, T. Okay. The guinea pig is furry and cute. I'm missing something. Let's put our period at the end, or our exclamation point if it's exciting. Remember, we start with an uppercase letter. All the rest of our letters are usually lowercase. We have spaces between our words, and we end with punctuation. Let's read our sentence. The guinea pig is furry and cute. Do you think you can write this sentence about the picture? Or can you write your own sentence about this picture? If you do that and you write your own sentence, bring it to me and I'm going to give you 10 Gator Bucks. Write a sentence. It can be my sentence or your own sentence. 10 Gator Bucks. Okay? So I'm going to hold this here for a moment. Thank you so much for watching your extra homework and I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye guys.